righty. Again, thanks for coming. Thanks for logging in and then checking this stuff out. We're excited and happy to see people coming live to our pop-in PDs. But as always, these are recorded. So if you want to go back and look at any of the other ones we've done, you can always go back on the website links that your ILCs should have given you. So we're going to continue with some like tips and tricks and tools and things to kind of help you with organization and making your life a little easier. That's kind of our goals and plans. And so I've got today, I'm going to share a few of the things that I do and use to help me, and maybe you'll find them interesting, maybe not, I don't know, but I love it. So here we go. We're going to start. We're going to have a couple of our extensions that you can add to your Chrome. We did some of those last time, or the last couple times, I guess. But so on the Chrome Web Store, you can always go in and search for your extensions. And I'm not sharing my screen, am I? Let me do that. Event Merge is what you want to download on the Chrome Web Store. You can just Google Chrome Web Store and go to that. You'll go to Event Merge. In Event Merge, the reason why I like this is because I have multiple calendars, and sometimes I have to have the same event on the multiple calendars, especially when it's something that affects like my home stuff. And so my wife doesn't get mad at me for not telling her stuff, and it's on that calendar too. But I don't like seeing the same thing pop up multiple times on my calendars, and I don't like to have to turn off my calendar. And so this merges all that together into one shot. So we'll say, just kind of show you how it works, we'll call this pop-in PD. We'll say it's at 2 p.m. and I'm going to have it on this purple calendar here of mine. So let's put that in. And then I'm going to turn it on here. I'm going to do it again. But this time I'm going to have it on this other calendar. And so now, since I have it at 2 o'clock, it's just a little dot, but you can see there's two colors there, the purple and the green. So it shows me it's on more than one calendar. If I had it as an all day thing like that one is up there, it would have the full bar, but the bar would be 2 different colors. So it just shows you, so automatically merges your stuff together. So you just have it pop in once, and you don't have to have it listed multiple times. Okay. The next one that I love and I use is the Save to Google Drive extension. So again, if you go to the Chrome Store and you, it might just be called Save to Drive. There it is, Save to Google Drive. If you don't have that extension already, recommend adding that on. Here's a couple of easy, you can use it for lots of different things in different ways. These are the ways that I've used it, and I like it. And I don't like having the same things to my computer than to Drive, just so I can upload it into Canvas or something like that through my Google. And so if I have images, let's make this a little easier. I think, this should help. Okay, so if I open up a thing, and here I could right click or 2-finger click, and with that extension, I can just click on Save to Drive, and I want to save the image. And it'll upload it. This one's not going to work that way, but it works in that same idea. You can have some of the images it doesn't work on, but some of them it does. Sometimes you have to open it in the actual thing, which is restricted, of course. And it'll automatically save the image to your drive. You can also do it. The way I've actually used it more often is like I'm at a website, and the extension's up here, and I can just click on the Save to Drive, and it'll download the website. Anyways, it'll download the website for you. And so it'll keep it just exactly like this website looks, but it saves it as like a JPEG. So we have the website here, and you can open it and you can make it expand and get bigger, so it's not so hard to see in one page. And then you can have different options. And so you can have it save as a PNG, have it serve as the website, the HTML, or as your Google Doc. And then you can choose where you want it to save. And so, yeah, so using things like websites, pictures, whatever you're using your Chrome browser for to go ahead and to use that save as drive is one thing that I enjoy. Okay, one of my absolute favorite things is the next one is how to search your Google Drive without going into your Google Drive. And I'll show you an example. If I was going to show you, I'm just going to type in my URL up here, the word wellness. I've been doing a lot of work with wellness rooms lately, and you can see I have my Google Drive. There's a sheet, there's a form, there's a sheet, there's a folder. All those are in my Google Drive, and I don't have to go into it. I can just search directly from there, and it pulls it right up. So how you do that is takes a few steps, but you come to your settings, and there's going to be one that's called search engine. So you can click on the search engine, and you want to manage your search engines. And now you'll see I have a bunch of things on here. You'll have some up here, but you want to come to this button where it says add. And when you click add, you'll want to just type in, you can name this basically or whatever you want. And so we'll just call it Google Drive. And my shortcut, I'm just going to call it the same thing because, oh wait, maybe it won't let me do that. We'll call it Drive. And now this is the part you need to add in. And so this is just basically the URL of your drive. And almost there. It probably means something. I don't know what it means, but I just know when you type it in just like that, and I can post that. I'll post that in the chat here in a second, that link, if you want to use it. And then you can go ahead and click add. And then there it is. You'll see it like this, listed as one of your things that URL will search for. And that's kind of how you set that up. I know we're about out of time, so I'm just the last bonus. In case you didn't know, if you've never used the URL to create a QR code, that was a great thing that Google had done a long time, or not a long time ago, but a little while ago. And all of a sudden it's disappeared, and people have asked, where is that? It's still there. You just come to your same settings, and it's going to be under the save and share. So this is our bonus. And now you can come here and create your QR code. And now you can still download and copy it and use it. And so anyways, that's today's quick tips, tricks, things to help organize you a little bit, maybe make things a little faster, a little easier. And yeah, there we go.